For all the Campari lovers, I have more Campari cocktails for y'all. Two simple cocktails. These cocktails are very tropical, easy to make, and I also added a special thing for you. I know those persons out there who are struggling to make an Orgeat Syrup. Today, I'll be teaching you that as well. So, without further ado, I'm Randy Thomas, and welcome back. Let's get right into the cocktails. Alright guys, so now I'll be adding half cup of almond milk and 1 full cup of granulated sugar. So I don't have orange blossom water, so I'm going to use some orange zest just to squeeze it over it like that. And this is very essential to Orgeat syrup. This is the ratio of 1 part water and 2 parts sugar, but instead of 1 part of the almond milk, I used half. So it still works out back to the same because I don't want to make a lot of the syrup, alright? Once it is cool, you're going to add rum or you can use brandy. So once you add the alcohol, when it's hot, it will evaporate, alright? So now let's strain and ready to mix. So that is it, the Orgeat syrup. So you can place this in the refrigerator. You know, it can last you up to 6 weeks. For the twist on the jungle bird, you will need a shaker tin. I like to start with the least expensive ingredient first. And as I said before, I'm doing a twist on it. So I'm using strawberry syrup. So 1 ounce. Now we're going to give it freshly squeezed lime juice. So that's half. Now for the other half. And for the rum, so we're using the good old Appleton Estate signature blend rum. Perfect for fruity cocktails. So we're using 1.5 ounces of that. Now we can't leave out the Campari, right? So 3/4 ounce. Pineapple juice now. We're going 2 ounces. 2 full ounces of that. Add some ice. And let's shake. So now we're going to strain into our glass. Add some ice first. And fill it all the way to the top. So look how that red and beautiful, guys. Woo! Now we're going to garnish with pineapple wedge and pineapple leaf. Nothing goes to waste. So look at that. My twist on the jungle bird. I love the color. Alright, time to taste. Pineapple. Smells good. Drink smells tropical. You know what name came to me? I think I'm going to name this drink the Love Bird instead of the Twist on the Jungle Bird. It's really good. It is like a rum punch with Campari. That's how it tastes to me. And you know in Jamaica we love our rum punches, right? So especially in the Caribbean. Yo, since you don't want to finish this drink right now, I am going to go into the next cocktail. Now for the strawberry. So we're going to add ½ ounce of Orgeat Syrup, 1/3, ½ ounce of lime juice, ½ ounce of Campari. For the tequila fans, we're going 1½ ounces of the tequila. We're going to add some ice to the shaker and shake. Sorry. So we're going to remove the top of the shaker. We're going to add ice cube to our rocks glass. And then we're going to strain all the way to the top. Perfecto! I'm just gonna garnish with a wheel. Just like so. 3 almonds. Follow. Right, so look at that. And beautiful. Time to taste, guys. So I love the color. This, I would say this peach, or well, let's say men are colorblind. I think this is peach. Alright. You can smell the Campari and the tequila, the lime. Not bad. I can taste the Campari is very strong, and the tequila, the lime, it's not that sweet, surprisingly. It's a nice tropical drink. I recommend this drink, and I saw this drink on Steve the Bartender, so you can check him out as well. So it's not a bad Campari drink. If you're a tequila fan and like Campari with your tequila, I recommend this drink. So guys, so tell me which one of these cocktails you like. Comment below. These are some nice tropical Campari cocktails. So thank you guys for watching, and I have some advanced Campari cocktails coming up. So I know you're probably wondering why I'm making so many Campari cocktails. I decided to dedicate this month to Campari. And since it's summer, and I think Campari is very versatile, once you understand the spirit, you can always enjoy it. So see you guys next week, and look out for those advanced cocktails coming up.